Hello, this is not the end. How y'all doing? Tonight, I'm bringing you a lesson. Now, I think I've decided that how-tos or something else is just little tidbits that'll help you further your crochet journey, and tutorials of when I actually teach you how to make an actual item, actual whip. But lessons are different. They mainly concern stitching. So this is lesson number 10. Now this is not like making a ridge for a half double or single or a what's the other one? Double crochet or a treble. This is concerning the actual base chain. I do this quite a lot when I'm making like a hat that's in the flat, like a toboggan beanie or ribbed beanie. That aids me when I go to sew up the sides, when I do scarves, and even when I do Afghans. So I pretty much rely on that too. So let me get it set up and I'll be right back with you. Now I figured that I would use one of my ribbed beanies, because I got so many of them to do, to help demonstrate this. So I need to open this with my scissors. And I think I've decided that maybe I'm sitting too much to the left in my cubby. That's why my stitching and my hands are always to the left. So I'll get it figured out. So let me find where I'm gonna cut. Usually right here at the seam is where I cut. Make sure nothing's in the way. Especially my fingers. There. Come back here. Oh. Don't need that for right now. Now the last one I did, I looked out and I found the center pool. I didn't know how to act. I said, oh my goodness, I found it. Because none of the rest of them I found it on. Let me see if there's anything in there. Nope. Rats. That means I had to do the outside. I don't know how that happened. And I'm afraid to pull that out, so we just flip-flop around in the old project box. Now, in order to do this in the base chain, I gotta make a chain. Now with this Eco Cozy, I always tie it off because it's real. It'll like fray. Okay, I'm gonna do my slip knot. And for these hats, I usually leave a long tail because that aids me in sewing up. And make my chain on over. Now if you're gonna do this, if you're gonna crochet in the back, you need to have sort of loose stitching, because if you can't get your needle head in the back bump, then that ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work at all. And let's see how many stitches I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay, there's my 35. Keep my thumb on the 35th one. And I need 2 more to turn. Okay, now at this point, how it works better for me is to switch from pencil hole to a knife grip. I just turn everything over. The chain is nice and straight. See all those little lumps right there? That's what I'm going to crochet in. That's going to leave the braided part that looks braided. That's going to leave a nice flush bottom on my project. Okay, do a half double. Push it in there. Make sure it goes through. I want to eat my own words. There. Okay, over. Next one. I'll get in the swing in a minute. Okay, my thumb is aiding me. Okay, see this yarn, plastic bottles, recycled whatnot, frays quite a bit. I might need to invest in the wool genie, I don't know. Because my spindle don't work for everything. It's neat when I have just a regular skein, but you know, sometimes it do, sometimes it don't. Right there. Make sure you see what I'm doing. See this little lump right here? That's what I'm crocheting in. Turn over, go in, pull through 3. And if I can catch the split, I'll undo it. Sometimes it's not so easy to catch this yarn. Okay, that's what I've got so far. And when I get through, I'll come back. Okay, I've finished my first row. See if I get it turned right so you can see everything. There's my half double crochets and my single crochets, and that is part of my pattern. Okay, and this is where I'm going to crochet into this side, but this side is where I'm going to seam into. This is the bottom, this is the top. I know it doesn't look like much now, but it will. See those nice little loops? They really help out when it comes to sewing things together. Okay, I thought I'd show you This is the seam, but you can barely see it. And that's why I do the base chain in the back loops. This is one that's finished. Well, it's almost finished. I still need to put the sloshy tassel on it, but I have to wait to do that when I see how much yarn I have actually left from this last one. Go. Turn it all out. Right there. It's not raised or anything. It's nice and flush. That's why I do it. Well, I hope that this lesson has helped you, not hindered you. But you don't have to do yours like I do it. That's just a personal preference of mine, is to do the back loops on the base chain. Now if you excuse me, I got another beanie to do.